All right, here's the kitchen renovation after almost 3 weeks of work, way behind, of course. It's probably, I don't know what time it is, 1 in the morning maybe. Floor is removed, but I didn't get to lay down the floor. We redid all the plumbing, got rid of the bulkhead, so the drains are all going down, although this is an air vent. Drains are going down from the bathroom upstairs. Showers, everything is going straight down, no bulkheads. That was a lot of work. That probably took, well, 4 days at least. So it was nice to get rid of the bulkhead to get the ceiling cleared for tall wall cabinets. This vent is up, island vent, because decided to move the sink from the island here, and we had opened this window. So 36-inch base cabinet will hold a 33-inch sink here. The drain is there, hot and cold water. There's an under sink receptacle that's gonna go there. All the plumbing and electrical is done. Yeah, the water to the dishwasher will be diverted from there with a valve from the hot. The drain will. The drain is going to the wall, but it could have gone straight down since it's in the basement. But it's okay. There's some electrical wiring, 120 volts going to a 24-watt converter up there, or sorry, 24-volt converter, 60 watt. That's gonna deliver LED under cabinet and up there above cabinets as well. And vents actually were redone. They were a mess in the basement, so they're now direct. So that was a bit of work, but happy with the 8-inch island vent to the chimney exhaust. This probably will have to be cut out in the cabinet to accommodate the wall cabinet going to the ceiling. So there may be a cutout there, maybe a cutout, probably be a small cutout for this shower drain. Anyway, plumbing, like I said, was redone, cleaned up. There's some plumbing done here also for a new water supply for powder room. Toilet in there. This is a receptacle for the fridge. These receptacles are extra deep, sticking out 1 inch and 1/8, or sorry, 1 inch and 3/8, because the quartz backsplash plus 1/2-inch drywall is accommodated there. Special plate that will match the blue quartz. This is a 3-way switch to control the under cabinet lighting. This will be power supply under the dishwasher. What else can I show you? These are 20 amps, independent, separate breakers, 20 amps each. I had to get rid of one of these pennants, and then I decided to place it above the sink. These will probably have to be repositioned to be properly centered over the island. Not looking forward to that since that's in a separate floor joists. But we'll deal with that later. But when we turn those pennant lights on, this one will turn on as well. That took a long time. I'm slow. Probably a day and a half for the electrical. 12-hour days. That's just gonna be a receptacle, then a receptacle in the powder room there. Tried to make everything to code. I'm sure there are criticisms, but I'm confident that it's safe. This is a water supply for the fridge ice maker. All right, that's everything. Next is insulation. 2x6 rock wool on the exterior wall here. Everything will be insulated. I'm not gonna spray foam up there just because I'll just stuff these cavities with the rock wool and then vapor barrier, kind of like I did here around the window. Well, the window was spray foamed, but anyway, all the openings are stuffed with rock wool. Bit of spray foam up there.